Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the default touch sampling rate in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. Yes friends, I'm getting so many comments on this Realme GT Neo 3, so I thought of making a video regarding the touch sampling rate. So what is the default touch sampling rate we can actually get in this Realme GT Neo 3 smartphone? As you can see friends clearly. So first let me show you exactly the refresh rate what I'm trying to use, and before that you should know what is exactly the Realme saying us about the touch sampling rate in this device. Let's go to the Realme official website, which is realme.com/in, and if you try to go to the display column, in this they did mention 120 Hz refresh rate and all the details, but they did not mention anything about the touch sampling rate. Try to observe carefully. They did not mention anything about touch sampling rate. Even I cannot find any kind of information related to this touch sampling rate in this Realme GT Neo 3 page. So let me just scroll down. As you can see friends clearly, I'm trying to type the touch sampling rate, but I cannot find any kind of words on this website completely. I cannot find touch sampling rate. I'm not getting. Even in the display information also I cannot find any kind of touch sampling rate information related. This is the display information. They did not mention any kind of touch sampling rate, as you can see clearly friends. But whereas the Realme GT2, for the Realme GT2 they did mention exactly 1000 Hz touch sampling rate in the display section. So now what is another way of checking the touch sampling rate? So officially, so I thought of going to the Flipkart website, and there we can actually find all the details about the device, right? So let's go to the Flipkart website and let's open some random model and let's scroll down, and there you should be able to find the information as well regarding touch sampling rate. And in the Flipkart website they did mention about 360 Hz touch sampling rate exactly is present in this device. 360 Hz, as you can see, 120 Hz is a refresh rate. So finally we got to know at least some value which is a 360 Hz. Let's check right now whether 360 Hz we're getting the actual value or not. And right now I'll try to use this application where we are getting the actual value is only 240. As you can see friends, 240 is the value we are getting exactly. We are not getting 360 Hz. So 240 minus refresh rate you need to do every time, because this application will show the value refresh rate plus touch sampling rate. So every time you need to do the minus thing, don't forget that. So 240 minus 120 is a touch sampling rate in this device. So right now by default that's the value we got. You may think, okay, can you please try to enable the GT mode and try? Yes, I'll try to do that, and close it and open again. Yes, I'll try to do that again. So I'll try to open the touch sampling rate. Now try to observe. As you can see, same 240 value we are getting. The value is not increasing friends anymore. So 240 minus 120 Hz refresh rate, the overall the value will be 120 Hz touch sampling rate in this device. Unfortunately that's the value, and you may think something problem with this application, but nothing problem. I did try with plenty of other smartphones as well. Same application was able to demonstrate pretty good regarding the touch sampling rate of other smartphones. Is the same application I'm trying to use in the Mi 11X device. This is a Mi 11X device, as you can see clearly friends. Right now we're getting the value about 480 we are getting. 480 minus 120, 360 Hz touch sampling rate exactly we are getting. No issues, 360 Hz. But in this Realme GT Neo 3, we are not getting that kind of value. So next I thought of using another application to check it, whether it's kind of correct or not, the 120 Hz. So now in this application, yes, it feels exactly, I think 120 Hz right now, because this application is not so smooth, because this is a very useful application where the lines will be very smooth if it is 360 Hz. Maybe while gaming it might get activated, but right now I was unable to test it exactly. Try to observe the difference, 360 as you can see, and try to observe this difference, how it is exactly. So this is how it should be there if it is real default value is 360 Hz, but that's not the case unfortunately. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. All the default touch sampling rate is only 120 Hz right now in the Realme GT Neo 3, whereas the GT2 the default touch sampling rate is 360 in this device. So I'll try to show you the same application. Let's take the same Realme company only, why not? So right now we are getting the, I think 300 Hz. So from 420 we are getting the value, so 420 minus 120, 300 Hz touch sampling rate we are getting in this device, in this Realme GT2 device. So that's how it is friends regarding the default touch sampling rate. Slightly kind of change, maybe with the future updates they might be able to upgrade, I'm not sure, but at this moment this is the result. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.